All right, guys, it's about 3:30 on Wednesday, and you guys in the boot camp, you've been through a couple of days of this, but I want to try and touch base with you because, remember, you can click on someone's name, just a simple left click, and see all their posts all day. And I gave you guys enough trades, just myself, that will probably pay for the next couple of months of this thing. I gave you resistance S&P 71.5 to 73. Gave you 4 trades. All right. I gave you the buy in the 5 years, 03 3/4. Now remember, and this goes for you guys on Facebook and also on Twitter. When I put a post out there, it has to be the best trade I can find, because I can't come back to you over and over and say, hey guys, we're still doing this, or hey guys, don't do as much size on it. So it's there. All right, and you guys got to act on it. In boot camp, I saw a lot of people just, hey, anybody got a trade? Anybody doing this? Anybody doing that? Remember, guys, you can kind of step back from the forest and see the trees. And when you see people posting stuff and you forget, what did that guy say earlier? Kathy, Frank, Chicago stock, anybody. And just try and get, back on track with it. And something else on this. A lot of you guys are always talking about, hey, I can't see a chart, show me a chart, show me a chart, show me a chart. What I'd recommend you do is just get a pencil and paper out and write down the stuff, all right? Because what you want to get is information. What prices are people looking at, all right? Now, for this evening and for Thursday, and it's been a quiet week. It's not a lot going on. I'm going to go with S&Ps on this because we've had most of our trades in S&Ps. My pivot, and it's still what I gave you today, is 71.5. It pretty much is going out right around there. That's an important price in the market, so watch 71.5. Now there's stops above 78.75, and that really is the key. If the bears defend those stops, and until those stops are left in place, you got to think more about trying to keep a short bias on the market. Once the stops get taken out, then you can look for 92.5 and 19.5. Okay, and you can fade 19.5. As long as the stops stay intact, you got to think more about a move to the downside. There's still some support down there, 60.5 and of course 50, but they're going to try and target 41.5. All right, now they're making me run on this, but I got to give a shout out to Simon across the pond. That's the wrong ocean, okay, but Simon, I'll go to the pier. You got me the shirt from your team. You got the bond thing out there with the 30 year bond. I appreciate it. Thank you.